Hello guys, welcome to AR tutorials. This part would be the continuation part for the task 1 of my ML internship at Prodigy Infotech. So in this particular part we'll discuss our part or task 2 which was assigned to me at Prodigy Infotech. So let me show you the task. So this was the task to create a claimants clustering algorithm to group customers of a retail store based on their price history. So we have given the data set of Kaggle. So again we have given whatever the mail customer segmentation data. So if we scroll down we'll see whatever the data would be there. So all this data would was there in our data set. So we have to just segment it. We only have one mall customer dataset. So let me just directly jump to this. So first we have imported all the files, we have imported all the dataset. So we have here we have filled the columns. Whatever the column was there with that data with that type we have got the values. Similarly for the non-columns we have got the values. Then this was for the objective data type. Then for the label encoders are just collecting the labels, they're collecting the objects. So within using the for loops we have collected all the data types of similar labels. So here we have created the XY data, our data set basically. So our features, we have given this much features what we have to take. We have imported that features in X. Now what we have to do, we have to scale the numeric features. So scalar is there and we have used a standard scalar. So with that we can scale our data and see that at what scale or at what range we are getting the values. So X scaled is the fit transform using we have scaled the data, and the here only we have given the loop in that range and we have found the k-means in there, and then we have plot. Now we have plot with using the SSE and the elbow method. So using the elbow method, the number of clusters, we have got this elbow curve. Now this curve has a lot of study required. The lot of max calculation would also be required to plot this curve. It is not an easy task, but using this compilers we can get directly this plot, but it has a very pretty decent mathematical calculation, I would say. Then another we have to take the silhouette score, because silhouette scores are such kinds of score which are very minutely changing. In that we can see very less disturbance or very less spaces there between the points. So silhouette score basically tells you what is the cluster scores. In the clusters how much they dedicate to each other. So in that using k-means we know that, and using this silhouette score we have drawn this silhouette score method, we have drawn these peaks. And here using the k-means we have found the clusters. Now this part you can see I have differently rated the 5 components we have, so differently colored all those, and we can see that here in this center we can see blue and purple cluster is clustering too much. They have a lot of similarity, so k-means would work betterly here. So k-means would give you the answer. So again here the clusters we have gone and we have created a heat map here. So basically heat map would show the relationship between your two opponents, that is now this is age, annual income and spending score. Now and with the help of cluster, now we can see at the age of 4 what are the clusters vary. We have seen that the annual income is 90 in dollars, and with the age of 4 it could be that it could be tell that that malls basically provides a lot of for the children, and there are many parents who buy many things for their children. So this is basically a comparative analysis, not accurate but a comparative. Now we have used the plot, that is we have clustered basically, and we have using the segmentation we have clustered everything, and with that we have plotted also it. So with age, annual income and the spendings we have just made it the all combined graphs and the clusters. We can study it thoroughly and can get the answer, and the final we have just plotted this box plots for each and every distribution. So this is, at last we can just calculate whatever we have done. So if you have got any idea of this task, so please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, friends, and please share this channel with your friends.